Hi guys, Wendy here. In this video we're going to draw my Just So Cute Pop Tart. So let's get started. With this Pop Tart, I'm going to first start by drawing a straight line down. So right here, I'm just going to start with one edge of the Pop Tart. So we're basically trying to draw kind of like a rounded off rectangle. So from this edge right here, I'm going to draw some curves that go across, and this is supposed to mimic some bite marks because it's so yummy. You can't resist it, right? So I'm going to come in here and draw some curves, say about 3, and I'm going to go up. So the 3 bite marks in, and so from this point right here, I'm going to draw a straight line across. So about that much, and then I'm going to start to round off this rectangle. So I'm going to come about right here and just start to round it off. And from there, I'm going to drag another straight line down for this side. So however thick or thin you want to draw your Pop Tart. So I'm going to drag a straight line down, say about like that. And from there, I'm going to continue this one. So now I know kind of how tall I want it to be. I'm going to bring this all the way down, say about that much, and then I'm going to round it off again on this corner. So let's continue this line to match the other side. And about right there, we're going to start to round it off. And just go ahead and connect it. So there, get the basic shape of your Pop Tart. And so let's come in here where the bite mark is, and we're going to add some of the filling that's in here. So let's come in here and we're just going to draw some curves, some random curves, and go back in. So then you can come in here and just thicken this part up a little bit just to give it some edge. Like that. Okay, so then now the next step is to come in here and draw the same exact thing but smaller for this rectangle. So I'm just going to basically follow my outside line, give myself this little edge right here. And so this is going to kind of be like the frosting that's on this Pop Tart. So don't worry if it's not straight at all because it is just the frosting. So just go ahead and follow it, go around, come down, around, and connect. So notice when I'm drawing a straight line, I'm just dragging my hand. I'm not picking it up. So it just makes it easier just to try to draw straight lines. So from there, let's bring this Pop Tart to life. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to add eyes to it, of course, right? So right here, I'm going to add a huge Draw So Cute eye, just to make it super cute. And same thing over here. Another huge Draw So Cute eye. There. And then let's come in here and I'm going to add 2 smaller circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. Okay, and then lines at the bottom. Try to fix my circle a little bit better. And then same thing over here. So 2 small circles. There are just days when it's easier to draw, and there's days where all the lines are messed up no matter what you do. So I think today is one of those wobbly days. Okay, so let's shade this all in, and the lines at the bottom. So there, I got those 2 big eyes in. Let's come up here and I'm going to just draw a little curve at the top to anchor my eyes, and right in the center, right here between the eyes, we're going to draw a sweet, cute smile and cap it off. And then if you want, you can add cheeks in here when you're coloring. So then from there, let's add some yumminess to this Pop-Tart. And I'm gonna start by adding a drizzle of frosting. So you can color it a different color if you want. So I'm just gonna come here and just snake my way across. All the way down. And about right there. And then I'm just gonna come back right in and follow what I did. I go up. Sometimes it's thicker, sometimes it's thinner. It's all up to you. So right here, just curve it in and finish it off. Okay, so you got that extra drizzle of frosting in. Now to draw all the sprinkles. So here and there, I'm just going to draw these sprinkles. So add as many or as little as you want. So let's see here, maybe one over here. And they're all going in different directions. And let's see here, maybe two more. And last one. And that's pretty much it for this Just So Cute Pop-Tart. I hope it inspires you to draw one of your very own and decorate it however you like. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Just So Cute videos. See you later.